Hey folks, ever wondered how those colossal American trucks that you see roaring down the highways are built? Today, we're diving into the world of Western Star and Freightliner trucks. Buckle up because it's a wild ride through some of the most impressive truck manufacturing facilities in the world. First up, let's talk about Western Star. Founded in 1967, these bad boys are known for their rugged durability and custom-built designs. The Western Star factory is located in Portland, Oregon, and it's where the magic happens. Picture this, a massive assembly line with skilled workers and state-of-the-art machinery, all working in perfect harmony to craft these giants. It all starts with raw materials. Steel is cut, shaped, and welded into the truck's frame. This isn't your average welding job. We're talking precision and strength here. Once the frame is ready, the engine, often a beastly Detroit diesel, is carefully installed. These engines are the heart of the truck, providing the raw power needed to haul heavy loads across the country. Next comes the cab. Western Star trucks are known for their customized cabs tailored to the needs of the driver. Whether it's a sleeper cab with all the comforts of home or a day cab for short hauls, each cab is meticulously assembled and outfitted with top-of-the-line features. From luxurious interiors to advanced electronics, these cabs are designed for comfort and efficiency. And let's not forget the paint job. Western Star offers a rainbow of colors and custom designs, ensuring each truck stands out on the road. The final step is rigorous testing. Every truck is put through its paces to ensure it meets the highest standards of quality and durability. Now let's roll over to Freightliner. Founded in 1942, Freightliner is another heavyweight in the truck manufacturing world. Their main factory is located in Cleveland, North Carolina, and it's an absolute behemoth. The process at Freightliner is similar but on an even larger scale. Their assembly line is a marvel of modern engineering with automated systems and skilled workers producing hundreds of trucks per day. The frames are built to withstand the toughest conditions, and the engines are powerhouses, often featuring advanced emissions technology for cleaner running. Freightliner cabs are designed with the driver in mind. Ergonomic seats, cutting-edge controls, and plenty of storage make long hauls more comfortable and efficient. The trucks are also equipped with the latest safety features, including collision mitigation systems and adaptive cruise control. Once assembled, each Freightliner truck undergoes a series of tests to ensure it can handle the rigors of the road. From wind tunnels to road simulations, these trucks are put through the ringer before they hit the highway, so there you have it. A peek into how Western Star and Freightliner build their massive trucks. It's a blend of craftsmanship, technology, and sheer power. Next time you see one of these giants cruising down the road, you'll know just what it took to get it there. Thanks for watching and keep on trucking.